What is going on, YouTube? It is your boy Shampoo again, back with another video. And first, I'd like to welcome you to my channel, Sean Pennington Reviews. And if you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. And if you're subscribed, thank you for subscribing. And if you're watching this video, thank you for watching this video. And today, I'm just doing pretty much an update video on my year. I'm in my 11th week. As you can see, it's coming in. It's still a little patchy up here, but it's coming in. As I said before, I was taking a beard supplement, the Rooster Booster by Boss Man Beards, and I'm not taking it no more because I ran out. I need to order some more if I'm going to try it again, or just stick to my normal supplementation, which is the multivitamin I've been taking and biotin. That's pretty much it. I might end up adding fish oil, and the only reason I'm going to do that is because of it helps with heart health and also helps with joints. And if y'all don't know how old I am, I'm an older guy. I'm 37 years old. So, but yeah, I'm probably going to implement fish oil into my supplementation. And yeah, this is just pretty much an update on my year. It's coming in, and I'm just documenting my progress. And also, I got wind that I won another contest. I won one earlier in the week from Fable Beard Co. And first of all, Fable Beard Co., thank you for, the giveaway. And it's just crazy. And I won another one, the Johnny Slicks Beard Co. company decided to do another giveaway, and I won that. Me and another gentleman actually won it. It was me and another gentleman by the name of Thomas, and he won. First of all, congrats, Thomas, for winning. And also, I want to thank you for paying it forward to me on the Fable Beard Co. Technically, on the Fable Beard Co., I didn't win that contest. He won it, but since he had won the contest before, he has the option to pay it forward. So he paid it forward to me. And once again, Thomas, thank you. Thank you, thank you. I don't know what it is. It's like, it seemed like I'm a kid in the candy store right now in terms of getting all these beard oils and stuff. Like, you know how how we were all kids on Christmas Day and we got the gifts that we wanted. And that's how I feel right now with all these beard oils I'm getting. And it's just, it's crazy to me. And it's fun doing all these, like, being a part of these giveaways, and all this beard stuff is just fun, man. Like, talking beards, having these, like, live chats, and, just getting to know everybody, man. It's pretty cool. Like, I didn't really envision this when I was, like, doing YouTube, and it's crazy to me, like, how many beard companies out there. That's how crazy it is to me. First of all, it's like, I didn't realize there's that many beard companies out here. And I got like a list of maybe, like, at the most, like 20 companies that I want to try. And it's like, you have all these companies, but you have so little time to try them. So I kind of got to get on it. But once again, yeah, this is just like an update on my year. And I'd like to thank Johnny Slicks for doing the giveaway, and thank you so much for just letting me win. I didn't really envision winning because I know a lot of people entered. And Fable Beard Co. for that contest, thank you, Colin. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And yeah, man, I'm just ecstatic right now because I like I said, I don't envision winning giveaways. I just do them just to be a part of them. And I don't know, with all this luck, man, I feel like I need to go to the casino and maybe, play some blackjack or something. No, I don't really gamble like that, to be honest. But but yeah, man, with that, man, I hope y'all have a good rest of y'all Monday. Enjoy y'all day, get through the work day. Just, get through y'all day, and I hope y'all have a good rest of y'all evening and all that stuff. And yeah, I'm just ecstatic right now. It's just like, I'm on cloud 9 with all these, like, giveaways. So with that, I hope you like, comment, subscribe, and I'm out.